Over 50 poultry slaughtering enterprises worldwide have been equipped with Eruis automatic compact slaughter line equipment, which considerably doubles their productivity and profits. The poultry slaughter line equipment avoids any installation, so it can save you installation cost, time, and plant space during the pandemic period. It can meet the slaughter and processing productivity of 500 to 3,000 birds per hour. The equipment is easy to move, operate, clean, and maintain. Overall transportation only needs 40 HQ, and the equipment is RAT-ENA-L design. It is made of 304 stainless steel, rust and corrosion resistant, hard and durable. And the equipment is designed with a button stop and an electric shock protection system, safe and reliable. The whole set of equipment is controlled by the automatic control system, equipped with an adjustable speed device which can make the original capacity increase more than to 100 bph. Energy saving and high efficient. The whole slaughtering line consists of 12 processes: bird reception, stun, head cutting, bleeding, scalding, plucking, head cutting, FISC rating, claw cutting, pre-chilling, cutting, finishing and packaging. The S-Calder works with a full automatic control system, automatic water supply, and water temperature control. The full automatic mechanical feather removal is effective, clean, and efficient, with zero damage. The bearings of the whole equipment adopt the most advanced waterproof and noise reduction design, which has a long service life. You can add or subtract some devices based on your needs. The slaughter line equipment can meet Islamic slaughtering requirements, and it also can be customized to different countries' voltage all around the world. The equipment is safe and reliable, designed according to 6S management mode to ensure high efficiency and quality. Eruis has achieved ISO 9001 International Quality Certification and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, and also obtained C, SGS, and so on. During the execution of the order, we set up a dedicated PTS group to provide the full service. Welcome you to visit our website slaughterhousemachine.com to learn more. Please contact us if you have any questions.